Hey everyone, Mrs. Kinzer here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to access Canvas. All right, so what you're going to do is go through an internet browser. I would not suggest using the Canvas app. Some of the assignments and activities that teachers post just aren't as user-friendly through the app as they are through a web browser. If you're accessing Canvas on an iPad or a tablet, I would suggest turning it sideways rather than vertical. That way you can see more of the screen. So again, turn it sideways rather than vertical. All right, step one is to go to the MCCSC district webpage. That's mccsc.edu. It's right there. All right, once you're at the home page, click on Canvas on the right-hand side, and it's going to open up a new tab. Students are going to log in using their username and then their password, which is their lunch number. If they're not sure what their username and password are, please contact their homeroom teacher or myself and we can help track that down ASAP. All right, they're going to click and log in, and it's going to take them to their dashboard. Their dashboard is where they can quickly access their courses, their homeroom course, their math course, my course. All their courses are found on their dashboard. They might have to click accept if they've been invited to a course. For instance, I had to go and invite each individual student to my Canvas page. So they might have an invitation first time logging in from me, and they'll just click accept, and it should pop up right up here. Once they have accepted my invitation, they can access my Canvas course at any time. Mrs. Kinzer's Canvas Classroom. They just click on this. I always look for the picture of my dog, Willow. Click there, and it will take them straight to my Canvas page. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I am here to help in any way that I can. Thanks so much.